Hey, we are days away from the official release of Apple Vision, and I'm so excited. Just kidding. Every time when I see that Mark Gurman is starting his newsletter with the Vision, I stop reading it. So you get the idea. Maybe later. But now let's focus on Apple's cash cow, the iPhone, and its next iteration that is expected as usually in September. Will you upgrade your iPhone this year? That's my question for you in the comment. I'll tell you later what's my plan. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Markings. I'm the channel's host Marco and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. Digital Markings is affiliate of Benks. I've had an opportunity to test Infinity Pro stand and to try out the Urban Pro case with a keyboard and a trackpad. Awesome stuff. I also got my hands on two more of their accessories, ultra high quality InvisiBoost MagSafe wireless charger with a cooling and a kickstand, as well as Infinity Mag stand for laptops which I use up to this day. Benks products are well crafted and have sophisticated design. Check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Use Digital Markings 15 code and get 15% off. Now let's go. Cupertino's giant is now a worldwide leader in global smartphone sales, taking over that crown from Samsung for the first time in 12 years, and that's a huge success for a company that doesn't have such a wide selection of smartphones as other competing brands. The truth is, iPhone 15 lineup has been a tremendous success, much better than its predecessors. With Generation 16 on the way, we are curious to see what's next. And while we don't expect a huge change with this iteration, there are still some aspects where the upcoming release can make a difference. The first and foremost is the performance. According to reports by Jeff Poo, one of the analysts, both Pro and non-Pro iPhones will feature same generation of chips, at least naming-wise A18 and A18 Pro, the second generation of 3nm processors. Poo also claims that iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will get additional 2 gigs of RAM, matching the specs of Pros, which is a big deal. With that, it is difficult not to anticipate speculations about 16 gigs of memory as Pro exclusives. It is uncertain will there be changes in terms of storage, although if non-Pros do get an option of 1TB, who knows what else we may see. Well, there is a general consensus in tech community that iPhone 16 lineup will not showcase considerable design improvements comparable to current generation, except for the camera bump. There are still some changes in the form factor overall and display, namely on Pro editions. Leaks suggest that iPhone 16 Pro models will be bigger than non-Pro counterparts. The regular size Pro should arrive with 6.3-inch screen diagonal instead of 6.1, as it was the case till now, while Pro Max on the other end will get 6.9-inch display, another increase, this time from 6.7-inch diagonal. 2024 iPhones are expected to feature new OLED technology for better contrast, higher levels of brightness and lower power consumption. It would be nice to see 120Hz screen refresh rate on non-Pros, but by knowing Apple, this is heavy. With the release of iPhone 14 Pro, Apple has made the first step to move away from 12-megapixel sensor and to switch to 48 megapixels. With Generation 15, both Pro and non-Pro models got the main shooter upgrade, although ultra-wide cameras still remain stuck to 12 megapixels. This year, this may easily change. Rumors suggest that we could see 48-megapixel ultra-wide shooter on all the models, with all the additions, with the one on Pro Max enriched with 8-part hybrid lens with 2 glass and 6 plastic elements. Some earlier leaks mentioned new buttons, so-called capture, which should be on the side where the power button is located. In other words, quick shot camera trigger, something that we haven't seen in a while. Although, if the button comes with 2-step click like the one on Force Touch trackpad, it would be great. Could this be one of those solid-state haptic buttons that have been mentioned for the volume? It remains to be seen. Oh, and if you want to know what will happen to the front-facing shooter, it appears nothing much. While there are speculations pointing at a smaller, typical camera cutout with dynamic island features still included, I highly doubt that we are done with the pill-shaped cutout yet. The next most expected upgrade on this year's iPhones is, as always, battery. Some earlier rumors revealed clues of so-called stacked battery technology, something that could allow higher battery capacities and overall more juice. With bigger iPhone Pro models, expecting increase does sound logical, and leaked images of alleged iPhone 16 Pro prototype unveiled around 2.5% bigger battery. But this is not the only predetermining factor. Will iPhone 16 lineup offer longer battery lifespan? Power efficiency of the chips, as well as better cooling thanks to new graphene thermal system, which also has been expected, will make a difference. I have also read that faster charging speeds, both with wired connection or via MagSafe, could surprise us too. Awesome. Honestly, I know that the upcoming lineup doesn't sound as huge as if we put it side by side to the existing iteration, yet it will still be exciting to see what Apple prepared for us with this year's iPhones. Perhaps some AI features, alongside improved Siri, better microphones and speakers, new Wi-Fi chip and modem, and so on. Price-wise, the increase is possible too, so embrace yourself. Maybe 100 and 200 bucks? If you ask me, I'm planning to give a lot of money to Apple this year. It all started with my new MacBook Pro a few months ago, and the next on the list are both iPad Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, with the tablet expected as early as in March. That is what I'm hoping for first. For other products, we will see. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, slap the thumbs up, and turn on all notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. My name is Marko. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.